The entire setup is ready. I'm going to just explain it in brief, the parts, and then I'll explain the working, how to do the operations and all. Okay. So as you can see, the entire container and the pots which is there, currently we have kept 4. You can keep as many, right? And this is the main chamber where we will keep our plants. We have these plant grow lights, which is, the capped on the top, so we can, in if we wanted to make changes to connect disconnect, we can do it manually also, but it will happen automatically. And here we have the water tank, which is connected with pipe. So here the on this bucket, or you can call the tray, on this tray, the water, it will come from the tank through the motor itself, right? And here is the control unit having display on the top, Arduino Uno. As you can see, this Arduino Uno is connected, and we have a relay. As you can see, the relay there, and here's the motor controller, because this controller controls both the exhaust fan as well as the pump. So all right, these two. Now let me explain basically how you will demonstrate this. How does it work? So we have two things to connect. One is the adapter that powers the CPU like Arduino, and this is because AC, which will power the plant grow light. So these two, you required an extension to connect these two, right? So an extension will help you. Now the moment I turn on the extension, you will see that the device will get ready. So here your entire system, you can see, is ready. These both lights are on. The chamber is quite the ample intensity of light you have. Now you can see the temperature sensor inside. This is the temperature sensor inside that I was talking about, which measures the temperature of the chamber. And if the temperature is above certain the unit, it will turn on the fan. And if the tray is dry, it will turn on the motor. Currently there is no water in the tray. You can see the motor is moving, the sound, if you can observe. We haven't put the water right now. Right now we will put the water at last, and I'll show you. And here if you observe the temperature, the temperature is 31 degrees Celsius, right? The temperature is 31 degrees Celsius, so it should turn on the exhaust fan. So the exhaust is on, right? You will see the exhaust fan which is running, and it is throwing out the water. And in case if exhaust fan is not running, you need to spin it once only, then it's okay. But right now it was all automatic started. For safety purpose, we have given 12 volt DC through this, right? So this is the entire the setup, and it's working all automatically. The LED light. Now this talk about the plant grow light. So plant grow light, as we have done research, we found it that these different, based on different plants, 12 to 14 hours of these lights is needed, right? So up per 24 hours. So we have given the timing of 20, the out of 24 hours, 12 hours. So for 12 hours these lights will be on, and for another 12 hours it will be off. So when you will turn on, the timer will start. So timer will keep track of how long these lights are on. So for 12 hours it will be on, for another 12 hours it will be off. And the motor, it will be controlled automatically. You can see there are 2 wires inside the tray. If it detects water on that level, the motor will turn off. Otherwise, motor will turn on. Now I'll show you the motor operation. I'll put the water and then I'll show you. So you can see the water the label, right? Inside there is a water, and motor is off, right? The our tray is full of water, and the motor is off. If I like remove the sensor from the tray, the water will start, the tank will start, the motor will start giving the water here. So this is all automatic. Okay, great, thank you.